this is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum.
You doing way better and all out of your feelings. Yo, it just came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, fuck that little nigga. Girl, fuck that little nigga. 'Cause you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't.
Hi vlog, hi guys, hi Goofy Squad, you know. It's your girl Malia.Angelic. Hi. Right now, I'm eating chips. Because I just got off work. And I'm hungry. But my phone finna die soon. So I gotta charge it before I actually film. But you already know. Y'all clicked on it? You already know. HelloFresh cooking video. These meals are so good. I be telling you, I be smashing down. And it'd be a lot for just having 2 servings. It's so much. But the meal we're gonna be cooking today is mozzarella-stuffed meatball baked with if you know the word, if you know how to say this word, I'm gonna spell it out. cavatappi. Repeat. cavatappi. That's the type of pasta. And a crispy panko topping. The prep is 10 minutes. Total 45 minutes. Dang, these calories. I said 100. 1,130 calories, so 1,130 calories. Boy, what? The ingredients include yellow onion, panko breadcrumbs. Ooh, I just kind of spit. Tuscan heat spice, crushed tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, ground beef, pasta, and tomato paste. Wine club. If you're not part of wine club, you need to be part of it. Except for me. Pair this meal with a HelloFresh wine matching this icon. Easy, baby. Boop. Alright, you already know. Oh, I forgot. Ingredients not included: sugar, vegetable oil, olive oil, butter, salt, pepper. Dang, that's for everything. Okay. But you already know the deal. Roll the next clip. And we're back. Step 1, prep. As always. Adjust rack to medium on top positions and preheat oven to 400 degrees. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Wash and dry all produce. Half peel and dice onion. Mince a few pieces until you have 2 tablespoons. Half mozzarella. Dice 1/2 into 4 equal size pieces. We don't see. Tear remaining half into bite-sized pieces. We're gonna see. Step 2, start meatballs. In a large bowl, soak half the panko. In a large bowl, soak half the panko with 2 tablespoons water. Let sit until absorbed. I need to stay still. I never stay still. Then add beef. Then add beef, minced onion, half the Tuscan heat spice, 3/4 teaspoons salt, and pepper. Mix to combine. Step number 3. Form and bake meatballs. Lightly oil a baking sheet. So when it just says oil by itself, I believe it's just the vegetable oil, because if it's needing olive oil, it will say olive oil. Form beef mixture into 4 3-inch wide rounds. Divide dice mozzarella between the centers of each. Gently fold meat around cheese, shaping and sealing to create cheese stuffed meatballs. Place on prepared sheet. Bake on middle rack until cooked through, 20 to 22 minutes. Remove from oven, heat boiler to high or oven to 500 degrees. Excuse me. 500, baby. Whoa. Never cooked that high. Alright, let's get into it. ASMR, baby. Step number 4. Cook pasta and make topping. Once water is boiling, add the pasta to pot. Cook until al dente, 9 to 11 minutes. Drain and set aside. Reserve empty pot. Meanwhile, place 1 tablespoon butter in a small microwave-safe bowl. Microwave until melted, which is about 30 seconds. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon Tuscan heat spice. Remaining panko and a large drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Step 5. Cook sauce. Meanwhile, heat a large drizzle of olive oil in a large, preferably oven-proof pan over medium-high heat. Add diced onion. Cook, stirring until softened, which is 46 minutes. Stir in remaining Tuscan heat spice. Crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, 1/2 cup water, 1 teaspoon sugar, and salt until combined. Bring to a simmer. Cook until slightly thickened, 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in 1 tablespoon butter until melted. Season generously with salt and pepper. Then we move on to step 6. Finish and serve. Carefully pour sauce into pot used for pasta. Add the pasta. If pasta seems dry, add a splash of water. Gently stir in meatballs to coat. Carefully transfer everything back into pan used for sauce. Tip: if your pan isn't oven proof, transfer mixture to a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Top mixture with panko and torn mozzarella. Broil or bake on top rack until panko is golden brown and cheese is melted, 2 to 4 minutes. Let cool slightly, then serve. So we serve it right out the pan, baby. Alright, let's get into it and you guys see the finished result. done. This was the longest one ever. Like, ever. It's literally 9:31 p.m. Who eats this late? Not me. I don't know how I just did that with one hand. That is heavy. Oh my gosh. Turn the oven off. Okay, guys. Oh. Wow, my phone wanna act up. This is the finished result. Do you guys like something new? Something new. Okay. And you guys made it through. Another cooking video. Hope you guys enjoy it, because I know I love enjoying cooking, because I wouldn't say I'm a foodie, but I love food. But I'm picky, so I couldn't be a true foodie because I'm picky, you know. But we about to keep this little intro short because I was talking through probably all the other parts. Like all YouTubers say, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Peace.